We'll guide you through how to see your YouTube password. If you find this useful, then consider subscribing and liking the video. So let's go and say you've forgotten it and you want to go and check if you can see it before going through the reset process. So we're going to guide you through how this can be done. Make sure this is full guide and don't skip ahead. So to get started, for this first way, we can come into YouTube. Then what you want to do is come to the bottom right and you can go and press U. Then you want to go to the top where it says accounts and you can go and tap there. Then what you want to do is go and press manage your Google account. Remember that YouTube is a part of your Google account. So ultimately we're finding this for our Google account password. Then what you can do is go and press search in the top right and you're going to go and type in password, wait for it to go and load the results. What you're looking for is password manager. So you can go and tap there. You can go and press search at the top. Now this is likely to go and be saved as Google. You can try searching in YouTube or Gmail, but usually it's going to be saved as Google, as you can see, and you can go and tap there. Enter in your PIN to go and confirm it's you, and you can press continue, and then you can go and press the I to the right. If you're using an iPhone, you may need to go and use the Chrome browser if you've got that installed to go and check it. And you can go and get to the password manager by pressing the three dots in the bottom right, and then pressing password manager, and you can use your Face ID to go and verify it. And then hopefully you can go and find it saved in here. If you can't, it's worth checking if you've got any other password manager on the device. For example, on an iPhone, there's a passwords app. But hopefully on an Android, you would have managed to go and find it in your saved Google passwords. Also, if you've got multiple Google accounts, try checking them. For example, we could press back here and back again. And if you've got multiple, you can press in the top right, expand this here and go and switch and check those in case it's been saved there. Hopefully to help this guide, you've been successful.